there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a proper sound on your recorder. There is one thing you need to remember when you blow through the instrument is that you always use warm, slow air. First thing I'd like you to do is put your hand up and think of the word ha. And if you feel that on your hand, the air is warm. It's nice and warm and slow. Now, what I'd like you to do is pretend like you're blowing out the candles of a birthday cake. Now, do you feel how that's colder than the first one? We don't want the cold air, because if you blow like you're blowing out a birthday cake, this is what you're going to get. We don't want that. Ay, 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 we want this. Nice, warm, slow air. That's called overblowing when you blow too hard. You don't want to overblow. If you squeak, you're probably blowing too hard. The other thing is, don't tease your pets or your family with your instrument. I've had many students come back with chewed up instruments because they've teased their dog with it, and their dog happens to find it and chew it up. So first thing we're going to do is hold the recorder in your left hand. That's the hand on this side of your body, this side. You don't have to cover any holes. You don't have to worry about notes. All we're doing is practicing warm, slow air. And see if you can echo these rhythms after me. Last one. Good job. Okay, next video we're going to learn our first note, which is a B. So get ready. See you then.